Hi mga ka-travels! This is Mimi. Share ko sa inyo ang isa sa pinakasulit na resort na napuntahan namin dito sa Anda, Bohol. Ang Bugnaw Sea Resort. Una sa lahat, sobrang affordable ng rates nila. For only 300 per head, makaka-enjoy ka na sa malaking swimming pool at sa amenities ng resort. Kung 10 packs pataas kayo, libre naman ang cottage. Pero kung less than 10, 500 naman. Sulit na sulit lalo na kung barkada o family ang kasama mo. Nagdala kami ng baon kasi fiesta kahapon at syempre hindi mawawala ang lechon. Ang saya kasi pwede kang magdala ng sariling pagkain, kaya tipid na tipid. In front of the resort, meron silang public beach na medyo crowded. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas tahimik at exclusive, meron din naman silang private beach access na para lang sa guests. Ang catch lang, nung pumunta kami, sobrang lakas ng alon kaya nag-advise ang resort na wag mo nang lumangoy kasi delikado. Kaya nag-full time na lang kami.
Sige day, panilig na day. Panilig na. Say hi sa vlog!
Hi!
At grabe, ang ganda ng view habang nagre-relax sa tubig.
Dirt road sunset headlights glow. Half a tank but I keep on going. Every mile's just another reminder of everything I lost when I left behind her. I tried the city lights, the neon signs, different beds and borrowed time, but every heart I made just...
Kung overnight stay naman ang hanap mo, marami silang rooms. Perfect kung gusto mo nang mag-extend ng bakasyon at mag-staycation. Ang ambience ng resort sobrang relaxing. Parang ang cool ng vibe kasi surrounded ka ng nature at dagat. Kaya kung gusto mo ng sulit na getaway na hindi mabigat sa bulsa, Bugnaw Sea Resort talaga ang sagot.
I see your face in every rearview mirror. Your voice in songs I didn't think I'd hear. Tried moving on, but you keep staying. And every prayer that I keep praying. Tried the fast life, cold goodbyes, but nothing feels like your blue eyes. I finally see the truth in all my lies. I keep running back to you, like the river to the sea. No matter where I go, you're still pulling me, like a tattoo on my soul. Girl, you're permanent and
For bookings, pwede kang mag-message directly sa Facebook page nila. Madali lang silang kausap at accommodating pa. So ayun, kung nasa Bohol kayo or balak nyong mag-anda trip, i-book nyo na ang Bugnaw Sea Resort. Sulit na sulit, budget friendly, perfect para sa barkada at pamilya. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.
like wrong to right, like a tattoo on my soul. Girl, you're permanent and true. I've been down